Hi, have you met Ted's Woodworking? If you watch this video carefully too, Ted's Woodworking training program that will be useful in the simplest way 16,001 wooden design tells you on, as well as to the smallest detail. If you receive today's special bonus, you may receive only a $7 special introductory almost unbeatable value.
Hello, my name is Mark, and this last year and a half, my wife and I have been refurbishing our house. As we got down the stretch and finishing up, we looked around and we decided we wanted to try something that we hadn't done before, something kind of cool, little project that we could share together, and we wanted to build some furniture for our house together. And so we went online and we looked around and we found Ted's woodworking plans, and it had a 60-day money-back guarantee, so I thought no risk, so I went ahead and bought it. We got it, we looked through it, and to our surprise there was several different plans that were right up our alley. There was about 14,000 different plans altogether, all different kinds of furniture, chairs, tables, you name it, it's in there. It's just amazing. There are some complicated plans also in there, but there was more than enough for us to work on. We started putting together furniture, and we loved the finished results. We are so proud of our furniture that we've built together. We have people over all the time, and the first thing they do is drop their jaw when we tell them that we built the furniture ourselves by hand, and I love that feeling. I'm going to continue to build more stuff out of the book. I think we're addicted now, and I highly recommend them to anybody out there who wants to do something along these lines. You're not going to be disappointed. Thanks, guys, for your wonderful plans and for making it available to us. Thank you.